As Dabangg approaches its 15th anniversary, the film's director, Abhinav Kashyap, has once again come forward with explosive claims about his fallout with Salman Khan and the actor's family. The 2010 blockbuster, which introduced audiences to the iconic character Chulbul Pandey, remains one of Bollywood's most successful franchises. However, behind the success, Kashyap alleges a disturbing tale of power play and sabotage. In a recent interview, Abhinav Kashyap opened up about his experience working with Salman Khan and what followed after he refused to direct Dabangg 2. The filmmaker did not hold back in his criticism of the Bollywood superstar. Salman is never involved. He is not even interested in acting, and he hasn't been since the last 25 years. He does a favor by turning up to work. He is more into the power of being a celebrity, but he is not interested in acting. He is a gunda, said Abhinav. Kashyap claims that the fallout began after he chose to step away from the sequel. He alleges that this decision led to a concerted effort to sabotage his career in the film industry. He is the father of the star system in Bollywood. He is from a film family which has been in the industry since 50 years. They are vindictive people. They control the whole process. If you don't agree with them, they come after you, he alleged. Drawing parallels with his brother, acclaimed filmmaker Anurag Kashyap, Abhinav revealed that Anurag had also faced similar issues while working with Salman Khan on the 2003 film Tere Naam. He told me before Dabangg that you won't be able to make a film with Salman. He just didn't tell me in great detail why. He just thought I'll get easily bullied. He knows these vultures, Abhinav said. The director went on to add, the same happened with him in Tere Naam. They didn't give him credit either. While Abhinav Kashyap has made such claims in the past, this renewed statement has once again put a spotlight on Bollywood's deep-rooted star system. Interestingly, Salman Khan has never publicly addressed these allegations. The actor remains silent, even as Dabangg continues to be celebrated as one of his biggest career milestones. As the film marks 15 years, the question remains, is this merely a case of creative conflict or a glimpse into the power dynamics at play in Bollywood's inner circles? Rumors of trouble in paradise have been doing the rounds for months now, but Sunita Ahuja has finally broken her silence on her relationship with husband Govinda. Speculations began earlier this year in 2025, suggesting that Sunita had filed for divorce, citing reasons like cruelty and adultery. But both Govinda and Sunita stayed silent until now. In August, the couple was seen together during Ganesh Chaturthi praying to Ganpati Bappa and even dancing together during Visarjan, putting rumors to rest, at least for the time being. And now, in a recent episode of Pati Patni Aur Panga Jodiyo Ka reality check, Sunita Ahuja addressed the rumors head-on with her signature bold and bindaas style. क्या 40 साल मामूली होता है काटना? हर इंसान गलती करता है, पर हर चीज का एक उम्र होता है। माना आपने जवानी में कुछ कर लिया, लेकिन जब 60 साल की उम्र में इतने बारे बच्चे हो जाए, तो इंसान गलती कैसे कर सकता है? In another fun moment from the show, Sunita danced with host Munawar Farooqi to the title track of BV number 1. But what she said next grabbed all the attention. तेरी बीवी नंबर 1 थोड़ी ना हूँ, जो तू ऐसे ऐसे कर रहा है। मैं गोविंदा की बीवी नंबर 1 हूँ। Sunita's clear and heartfelt words show that despite the noise, she's standing by her husband. Govinda remains her BV number 1 hero. What do you think of Sunita Ahuja's reaction to the divorce rumors? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more celebrity updates. excitement around Shah Rukh Khan's upcoming action drama King just got even bigger, and this time, it's all about Suhana Khan. A new photo from the sets of King, reportedly shot in Poland, has fans buzzing with speculation. The pixelated image shows a young girl in denim jeans, a white sweater, and a ponytail, and fans are convinced it's Suhana Khan. Though the photo is not clear, social media users say the girl was spotted at the same fast food outlet in Warsaw where Shah Rukh was seen filming earlier this week. This is also the same location where Shah Rukh's own first look from the film went viral, featuring his striking silver hair and intense vibe. If true, this would mark Suhana Khan's second on-screen appearance, after her debut in Zoya Akhtar's The Archies. Reports suggest her role in King is not just a cameo, but a major part of the film's story. Some even claim the cast credits will open with her name. Earlier this year, filmmaker Karan Johar shared his thoughts on Suhana's talent. On a podcast, he said, "I still feel very strongly that people will eventually see Suhana Khan. I've seen her student films and the work she has put into her craft. She is doing a film with her father, King. I'm glad the world will see her on a large scale because Suhana is a terrific talent. She is going to do phenomenally well." Directed by Pathaan director Siddharth Anand, King is already trending online, and it hasn't even announced a release date yet. But don't worry, it's locked in for a 2026 release. So what do you think? Is this really Suhana's first look from King? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for all the updates on Bollywood's biggest upcoming film. Bollywood superstar Kareena Kapoor recently stole the spotlight at the launch of a jewelry store in Birmingham, UK. But what started as a glamorous event quickly turned chaotic outside the venue. The actress, who was invited as the guest of honor, brought her signature charm and energy to the event. Kareena dazzled the crowd with her performance on the popular track Fevicol Se and interacted warmly with her excited fans, making it a memorable occasion. However, things took a surprising turn outside the venue. A video surfaced showing a female fan collapsing in the crowd, sending the onlookers into a panic. In the footage, you can see security guards rushing to help, taking the fan away for medical assistance. The crowd became visibly tense as the situation unfolded, but details about the incident remain scarce. The crowd outside had already been waiting for hours to catch a glimpse of their favorite star. Social media users voiced their frustration, claiming that fans had been made to wait for long hours before Kareena arrived. One wrote, "People made to wait from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. when she was going to appear at 3:55 p.m. Many mothers aged 70 plus waited to exhaustion when she appeared for 5 minutes only. Very bad manners to make people wait 4 hours and no chairs for older ladies. It was very disappointing street trampy roadshow." Another fan commented on the tight crowd and the conditions outside. "I think they missed out on fan fainted, and wouldn't be surprised with that tight crowd. How is anyone breathing there?" Some social media users also expressed their thoughts about the situation, questioning the way celebrities are treated by their fans. One comment read, "She is not a goddess to wait for so long." Don't hype celebrities over your health and comforts. If you love them, then go watch movies, that's more than enough. No actor is worth waiting in a queue for so long. Despite the chaos, Kareena looked stunning for the event, wearing a custom Manish Malhotra sari with intricate embellishments. She paired the sari with a halter neck blouse, diamond earrings, and subtle makeup, radiating elegance. While Kareena's event turned a little dramatic, her fans' love and enthusiasm remain unwavering. What do you think about the situation? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates from Bollywood.